For far too long, a stylish and smart way to carry your light-duty daily essentials was missing from the shelves. We invented FINO, a gun holster-inspired sling with a slim fit cutting. With the support of our backers, Need improved FINO to its best version yet. Introducing FINO 4, a slim fit, compact, and versatile sling pack for your everyday needs. Remove it quickly with just a tug of the buckle and adjust the strap for a comfortable fit. The FINO sling pack even has a dedicated space for your phone, keys, and other daily essentials. With multiple internal and external pockets, you can pack your pack with everything you need for the day. All compartments secure easily. It's perfect for men on the go. We also designed a detachable mask pouch for your lifesaver. Made with thermoplastic polyurethane, the pouch is the perfect solution for temporary storage of your used mask. Sealed to contain and prevent it from contaminating your other stuff in the bag. It is designed to be self-adhesive to the velvet lining and can be easily ripped to remove for sterilization. FINO can be worn as a stylish accessory on the outside of a jacket. Its slim fit design lets it wrap around the body and safely hide underneath. Even when it's packed to the max, FINO is never bulky. With easily adjustable straps and self-adaptive pivot, you can quickly transform FINO to meet your every need, from street sports to street smart. It even has a rubberized hanger to carry your jacket when you don't want to. FINO is the ideal travel companion. It's versatile, durable, and secure. You'll never worry about your treasured possessions falling out or getting stolen. And its double expansion layer gives you plenty of space to store portable devices, so you can have everything you need right at your fingertips. After selling nearly 300,000 FINO sling packs in the past, we're excited to bring an even better and smarter solution to the market. And we need your help to bring this campaign to life. Thank you for supporting us.